Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Juvia'S Nubian palette. And the reason why we're playing with this is because it's a good palette, but also because I hit 50 subscribers again. So I'm going to be doing my giveaway, and this is one of the palettes that you can choose from in the giveaway. So we're going to make a look with this and see what we can come up with, and if that's something that you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses, put on a little bit of Milani eye primer. Now you'll want to wait and see the end of the video because that's when I'll tell all the things that you need to do to enter the giveaway. So make sure you check out the end of the video. Alright, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to put that in my crease. Alright. So some of these are pressed pigments. I think this one is one of them that's a pressed pigment, so just something to note. And if you hear any background noise, that's either my youngest and my niece or the cat, so they're a little riled up tonight. Alright, I'm taking this chocolatey brown shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. I'm going to take this shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye. Now I'm taking this lighter shade up here, and I'm going to put that on my inner part of my lid. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water, I'm going to clean up any of my edges I got going on here. Alright, I'm taking the ColourPop Land Papaya Face Milk by Fourth Ray Beauty. And I'm going to put that on my face as my primer. It smells really good. I'm taking the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover with SPF 50 in 112 Natural Ivory. And I'm going to put this on my face. See if I can do this. I'm going to start with that much and blend it out. Really good shade match. I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in L150 Porcelain. And I'm going to dot this on my under eyes. Oh, I'm blending it out with my concealer brush. And of course, I'm taking number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. And I'm putting that on my under eyes. I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in shade Bronzer. My brush fell out. And I'm going to use that to warm up my face. Now I'm going under my chin and down my neck. Alright, I'm taking the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette and I'm going to try this Yara shade right here. It kind of looks like it could be a bronzer, but it doesn't go on like a bronzer. We'll see how this looks. See, it's kind of got like a pinky tint to it. And now I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and it's shade 250. It's the Maybelline and Nikki Tutorials collab. If I can open it, there we go. And I'm going to put this on the high points of my face, starting with my cheekbones. The other cheekbone. Forehead. Other forehead. nose. Juvia'S bow. And chin. I'm going to take this shade and go underneath my lash line. And I'm going to take a little bit of this first shade right here and just run it up underneath what I just did to kind of blend it out. Make sure there's no harsh edges. Now I'm going to take the shade that is in the inner part of my lid and I'm going to put it on my inner corner for my highlight. Alright, I'm going to put on some Essence Lash Princess real quick. Alright, I'm taking the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Amber. I love these lip glosses. I'm going to put that on my lips. I'm taking the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last, and I think it's Mango Coconut. Yeah, Mango Coconut. And I'm going to spray my face. Okay, this is the final look with the Juvia'S Place Nubian palette. I'll show it to you again because that way if you win, you can win this palette for the giveaway. So that's Juvia'S Place Nubian palette. I really love, love, love the look that I came up with. It's really pretty. Just classic, beautiful, neutral look. So the giveaway, I'm at 52 subscribers, so at 50 I said I was going to do a giveaway. I have two palettes. One of them is the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette. And I don't want to open it up because I want to have it fresh for if somebody wants it. Then the other one, like I said, is the Nubian palette. So if you win, you can choose between those two palettes, whichever one you would like to have. So the rules are, make sure you're subscribed. Also, click on the bell so that way you can get notifications. Then like the video and comment down below which palette you would like to have, and just whatever you want to comment, but it'd be nice just to know which one that you would like to have. So those are all the rules, and I'll put them down in the description box in case you need a reminder of what to do. But that's gonna be it. I really enjoyed doing this look. I had a lot of fun playing with this palette today. It's a great palette. Has, let's see how many. It's got 4 mattes and the rest are shimmers, and they're just beautiful shimmers. So it gives you the mattes to set up your look, and then you can just switch up the shimmers and to make different looks with the shimmers. So it's a great palette. I'm kind of loving it right now. But if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that will be all for me. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.